you are in class 12th right now and you're confused कि IP मैट की प्रिपरेशन एग्जैक्टली स्टार्ट कैसे करें, क्या पढ़ना है, कब मॉक्स देने हैं और बिगनर होने के बाद भी क्या IP मैट क्रैक हो सकता है, then this video is for you. Because today I am giving you the complete beginner roadmap for IP मैट 2027, especially for students who are starting from zero. और सबसे अच्छी बात, you still have almost 12 months, which means अगर आप स्मार्ट प्रिपरेशन करोगे, कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करोगे तो IP मैट क्रैक करना absolutely possible है. But one thing you need to understand, IP MAT is not an exam you crack by studying randomly. You need a proper roadmap. So in this video, I'll break down exactly what you should do in the first 4 months of your preparation. But before beginning, you need to understand the exam. IP MAT mainly test करता है quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, and in some exams like Rohtak and ZipMat, logical reasoning and data interpretation comes in picture too. So the biggest mistakes beginners make is directly jumping into hard mocks and advanced questions. Do not do that. Your first few months should only focus on building strong basics and foundation. Month 1, you should be all about foundation building. अगर maths weak है, this is the month where you fix it. Start with basic arithmetic topics, percentages, ratios and proportion, averages, profit and loss, simple and compound interest. ये ऐसे topics हैं जो extremely important है because they form the base for tougher questions later. Don't focus on speed right now. Focus on understanding concepts properly. और रही बात verbal ability की, start building reading habits from day 1. रोजाना editorials पढ़ो 20 to 30 minutes. It can be from Hindu, Times of India. Maintain a notebook for new words, formulas and mistakes that you encounter in this first month. Now comes month 2. Continue arithmetic and slowly move towards algebra. Topics like linear equations, quadratic equations, indices, functions, basic inequalities. At this stage, तुम्हारा focus should shift from only understanding concepts to solving questions with accuracy. Speed पर अभी भी नहीं ध्यान देना है. Verbal ability की बात करें, start practicing reading comprehension seriously because RCs is one of the most important part of IP MAT verbal ability. Start with untimed practice first. Learn how to understand passages instead of Russian. Also, begin grammar practice, sentence correction, parajumbles and error spotting in verbal ability. अब month 3 ऐसा phase है where preparation becomes slightly serious. This is the month where you start introducing sectional practice. Till now, आप अभी तक concepts ही पढ़ रहे थे, but now you need to apply them under time pressure. In quant, continue algebra and arithmetic, begin number system or geometry basics depending on your comfort level. फिर आपको start करना है mixed topic questions के लिए भी and very important, start tracking weak areas. Note down किन topics में आप बार-बार गलती कर रहे हैं. A lot of students they just keep studying what they already know instead of improving their weak topics. Don't make that mistake. रही बात verbal की, continue RC practice and start time sets. You should also begin solving previous year IP MAT level questions to understand the actual difficulty level जो आप आने वाले महीनों में face करेंगे. Now comes the final month, month 4. ये extremely important इसलिए भी है because this is where most students either become consistent or they just quit. In month 4, your goal should be building exam temperament. Start giving sectional tests regularly, not full mocks yet. Sectional test, maybe 1 quant sectional and 1 verbal sectional every week would do. After every test, speed, time analyzing करनी जरूरी है. Mock analysis बहुत important आ जाता है than the score itself. Always ask why did I get this wrong? Was it the concept issue? कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक हो गई या टाइम प्रेशर था या मैंने गेस वर्क किया. ये जो एनालिसिस है ये आपको हेल्प करेगा टू इम्प्रूव योर स्कोर further. Alongside this, watch business news, stay updated with current affairs and practice speaking clearly because IIMs are not just selecting students who are good at maths, they're selecting future managers and leaders और ये सारी चीजें आपको हेल्प करेगी आपके इंटरव्यू राउंड में. And one more important thing, don't compare your preparation with others. Some students they start early, लेकिन IP MAT एक long game है. Consistency for 12 months matters much more than the motivation for the 10 days. Even studying 2 to 3 focused as daily, it can create a massive difference over time. So if you're serious about IP MAT 2027, this is the perfect time to begin. Start slow, build strong basics, stay consistent and trust the process because one smart decision after class 12 can completely change your career. Now that you have chosen IP MAT, ensure you're sticking to the 4-month plan. For the remaining 4 months, stay tuned and if you still haven't subscribed to IP MAT by LPT, subscribe for more such videos.